welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you guys did not know this, Brent hit 10 million subscribers on YouTube a few days ago, and we already had like a party for him, but I wanted to do something a little bit extra. So right here is his 10 million subscriber plaque, and every day since he's gotten it, he's been checking it, obsessing over it. So the plan today is I will be stealing this plaque, and when he asks where it is, I'm just gonna be like, oh, funny story, I dropped it this morning. I'm headed to the YouTube space, whatever, to see if they're gonna ship you another one. In addition to this, Brent just bought a house, and he's actually going to redo the entire thing. So basically the plan today is to vandalize Brent's house. I ordered literally 2,500 balloons to fill up his house, spray paint. So yeah, breaking Brent's 10 million plaque prank. Let's get this video started. Woo! All right, guys. Oh my God, it's so heavy. Alright guys, so Ben is here to help me today. So right now Ben and I will head over to Brent's new house, and we're going to start setting up for the big surprise. Okay you guys, so we have arrived at the location. Wait, how many balloons was this? 100? And we literally have 1,000. So, okay guys, so right now we are headed to Home Depot. Basically, the first thing that we need to get is spray paint. Home Depot! And we got the spray paint. We have red and white, YouTube themed. Party City! Let's go!
Oh my gosh.
Alright, so we have 3 things of confetti and
streamers,
and
a piñata.
And a piñata.
After everything that we did to Brent, he thinks he's gonna get some candy. He's gonna crack it open. It's gonna be broccoli.
Alright, so Lexi is here to join us with the 10 million balloons. Alright, you guys, so Brent just texted me and said, where are you? So I think he finally found out that I was gone. I don't know about the plaque, but nope, he's calling me. Wait, I have to get my story straight. What? Hey, what?
Where are you?
In the car. Why?
Where's my 10 million plaque?
Your plaque?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this morning I accidentally dropped it and it cracked. We're on the way to see if they can maybe ship you another one or if they could glue it back together.
What? What do you mean it cracked, Lexi?
I just wanted to kind of look at it earlier this morning and I dropped it and it kind of broke. Like,
are you kidding me?
no. Alright, I gotta go.
I've never heard you sound like that before.
I know. I feel bad.
That's the story you went with?
He's like so upset right now, so like this will be perfect. Okay, so we're going to be spray painting on this wall. What should we write? I love it. I love it.
LOL.
Oh, there you go.
Alright.
Hey, so we are going to fill this with broccoli.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells.
It really
Whoa! Why would you do that?
It looks cute, so that's all.
Yeah, it looks cute. This is the cute one. This looks so crazy. Oh my gosh. All right, you guys, so we are pretty much done here. We are actually waiting on one last little surprise that should be coming any minute now.
I don't think it's
Yeah,
little.
never mind, it's actually gigantic.
It's
But
not.
you guys will see what that is in a second. So the people that sold Brent the house are actually giving Brent the keys today. And Brent doesn't know this, but they also gave us the keys yesterday so that we could do this. So yeah, once he gets the keys, he will probably be stopping by, taking a look at it, and he's gonna see this. He's gonna see this mess. But at least he's gonna know that his 10 million plaque isn't broken. Okay, you guys, so the biggest surprise of all just arrived, okay? We have an alligator, and it's going to be guarding Brent's 10 million plaque. It's in the garage, he's gonna open it. So, this is gonna be crazy.
Congrats, Brent.
Yeah, congrats, Brent, on 10 million, by the way.
There you go. There you go.
Ben.
What do you guys think? Is this crazy?
I love it. I can't get any closer.
Oh my god.
We'll name him Andrew.
Okay, what?
Okay, so Andrew and Ben are going to be hiding under these balloons. And then when Brent comes in, I'm gonna yell surprise. They're gonna pop up and do the confetti. So, okay guys, Brent's here. He's gonna walk in. I'm gonna pee my pants. Surprise!
Oh my god. What? 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 Are you kidding?
Happy 10 million! Happy birthday, big guy! Congrats, loser!
It's my birthday. Bruh. Gosh, this is insane.
Well,
Yo, this is sick.
I love it.
What the heck?
I was literally expecting just like nothing in here. So where's my plaque though, Lexi, that you broke?
well, I have another surprise for you.
What?
Want to go look in the garage?
Sure.
Okay.
I like forgot his plaque is like broken.
Shut your mouth. Shut up.
Go get your plaque!
I don't want to go get my plaque.
Go get it! Ow, my head!
Go, Brad. Go, Brad. I don't want the plaque anymore.
He doesn't want it
I don't want the
anymore.
plaque anymore.
Forget it.
Forget the plaque.
It's fake.
Is it really? Oh, I'm so scared, bro. It looks so real, though. It is real. No, it's fake. No, it's not fake. It is fake. Oh my gosh.
Wait, Brent.
It's fake.
No, Brent.
Why else would they be there if that was fake?
He's got to get the plaque.
Look, it's breathing. It's breathing. That's real. That's real, bro.
Let's do a flip and eat me out.
Get it, Brad.
Get it. Get it.
Brad.
Brent, go. Come on. I'm actually scared.
Oh my god! Now not gonna happen to me!
Oh my god! There's an alligator in your house!
Bye, Brent. Bye. Okay, Brent. It's time for you to hit the pinata.
Okay, alright, ready?
Yeah.
Wait, this better not be my plaque inside here.
Okay. Woo!
Yeah.
Oh! What was that?
He broke. Oh! Oh! Whoa, what is that? What the heck is this?
Is this not the most random video you've ever been? Do you like the spray paint on the walls, Brent?
Lexi, I wasn't even gonna redo these walls.
What?
I'm just kidding. Yeah, maybe.
Oh no, Brent.
Yeah, a little different. I'm kidding.
Okay, you guys, that is it for this week's video. Big thank you to Jay from Prehistoric Pets for bringing that huge alligator. Everything was amazing. Brent, what do you think?
Wow, I almost died.
Brent's probably like, no thank you, Jay.
I might have left something here.
Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will link everybody's channels down below so you can subscribe as well. And Brent, congratulations on 10 million subscribers.
Thank you.
You really do deserve it.
Well, thank you guys. It means a lot surprising me here, you know.
But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!